Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this large print backlit keyboard. We're gonna give this thing a little look-see and see how it is here. So it's going to, oh, that is a very large print. Okay, so if you have somebody who needs the keyboard letters and wants to be able to see it good, the keys are in the same places. It's just very large letters on there. If you look at it compared to like my laptop, you'll see those are just tiny up in the corner. This here takes up the whole size. But let's go ahead and give this thing a try. I'm gonna plug it into my laptop. Okay, and there we go. So now it's lit up here. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have a caps lock. We have everything normal. Let me just go up in there, and if I say Google, yep, it's typing fine. There we go. Yep, types fine. Brings up the website. Let's see if there's anything I need to know about it. We have function keys that will change the different media player and brightness settings and volume and stuff like that, just like you have on your regular keypads. That's the function and settings there, so different things. Oh, it's bringing up things on my computer. That's cool. What's function F12? Oh, it brings up a calculator. I never even saw anything like that before, so that's cool. And then we have these buttons here. I'm not even sure what those are all for. I haven't used a large keyboard with the extended stuff on there in a long time. My little one doesn't use that. But that is cool. So it's just backlit keyboard. And there we go. So it's nice and light and does what it needs to do. And it's a good keyboard, pretty solid. And it has the little feet on here. So if you want to be able to have it down there. So if you need an extra little stand, you have that ability too. And it's all good. So I'm gonna say this is a good keyboard. I mean, it seems good. The typing is nice. It's probably better than this little one there. And you can see the size-wise, it's slightly bigger than the keyboard on my laptop, but it's just a regular size one with big writing. So totally cool to have. And oh, we can change the colors by hitting this button here. Look at that now, it's nice and blue. Cool. So. And you can even turn it off if you don't like the lights, but totally neat. Thumbs up for sure.